Hello students, I am your geology teacher Dr. Nitish Sharma. Today I am discussing the very interesting topic of the human body which is known as the immunity. So what is the immunity? You know about that? The immunity is the ability of the body to fight with the pathogen or the foreign bodies. Then I will write over the board is immunity is the ability of body to fight with pathogen. So when this immunity generates in our body, you know about that? So our immunity is generate two times in our body. At first time, whenever we are present in the womb of the mother, that means the uterus of the mother, in the embryonic stage, and that immunity is called the innate immunity. And second time immunity generate whenever we got infection after the birth, and that is called the acquired immunity. So immunity is of two type. Immunity is of two type. Number one, innate immunity. Innate immunity. What is the meaning of innate immunity? The immunity which is generated before the birth of the baby, that is during the embryonic stage. The immunity which is generated before the birth of the baby, before the birth of baby, that is at embryonic stage. Got it? Second is the acquired immunity. This is called acquired immunity. Why? Because it develops after the birth of the baby and when we got the infection from the pathogen. Okay beta? So this immunity will generate after the birth of the baby, when baby got infection from the pathogen. Okay beta, let's see innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity is also known as unconditional या unspecified immunity. Why? Because there is no specific pathogen. This immunity generates whenever we are present in the womb or uterus of the mother. Okay? And another immunity is the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is also known as the conditional or specific immunity. Why? Because it responds against the specific pathogen. Okay? Like that, this immunity will generate in the baby when baby got infection from the pathogen or the foreign bodies. There is a many type of antigen, you know about that. We will discuss antigen after that, after the immunity topic. Okay? Now immunity is also form barriers. And how many type of barrier present in our body which is formed by the immunity of the body is of four type. Okay, so immunity forms four type of barriers which are as follows. Number one, physical barrier. Number 2, physiological barrier. Physical barrier. Number 2, physiological barrier. Number 3, cellular barrier. And number 4, cytokine barrier. Okay, cytokine barrier. Now physical and physiological barrier together known as the first line of defense system of our body. Okay beta, so physical and physiological barrier is known as the first line of defense of our body, and the cellular and cytokine barrier is known as the second line of defense. Now we will discuss the physical barrier. So what is the physical barrier? In easy language, physical barrier formed by the skin. Skin is the largest barrier system of our body because it protects the body from the pathogen present in outer environment. Okay. तो physical barrier में, तो in physical barrier largest barrier present known as skin. Which one? Skin. Okay बेटा, and अब इस and mucous membrane of genital tract, oral tract and nasal tract. It also forms the physical barrier of our body. Then physical barrier formed by the two things. Number 1, skin, which is the largest barrier of the body, and number 2, the mucous membrane. Mucous membrane present in the nose, in the oral cavity and in the vaginal cavity of the genital system. Okay, and these form the physical barrier which protect the body from outside pathogens. Okay, and whenever the pathogen break the physical barrier, then it fight with the physiological barrier of our body. Then physiological barrier is formed by acid of stomach. It is formed by acid of stomach, saliva of oral cavity, tears from eyes, etc. So the physiological barrier is formed by the number 1, acid of stomach, because stomach physiological activity includes the secretion of the acid. Number 2, oral cavity secretes the saliva, and saliva contain the antibacterial lysozyme kills the bacteria inside the mouth when we chew the food. And another is eyes protect from pathogen from the tears. Then the eyes secretes the tears, and tears protect the eyes from the pathogen. These are the main physiological barrier present in our body. And then the cellular barrier basically formed by the WBC. It is mainly formed by WBCs. There are different type of WBCs. You know about that. You are learning these WBC in the circulatory system or body circulation chapter. WBC is of mainly two types, agranulocyte and granulocyte. Agranulocyte further divided into two parts, lymphocyte, monocyte, and granulocyte divided into three parts, eosinophil or eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. You know about that. Then the cellular barrier is formed by the WBCs, and there is a 5 types of WBCs. So this is mainly formed by mainly formed by PMNL. PMNL means polymorphonucleus lymphocyte. Polymorphonucleus lymphocyte means there is a different type of nucleus present in the WBC's lymphocyte. That means a bilobed nucleus present in the eosinophils, trilobed nucleus present in the basophils, and multilobed nucleus present in the neutrophils. Okay, and this is basically neutrophils and monocytes. Monocyte also includes in this. Also includes in this. Okay, beta. So this is the cellular barrier. So cellular barrier is formed by mainly by WBCs. WBC is of 5 types. Each WBC has a particular type of nucleus, a particular morphological nucleus. So this is known as the PMNL, polymorphonuclear WBC or lymphocyte. Monocyte WBC is mainly also included, and the lymphocyte means neutrophils. Neutrophils and monocyte both are phagocytic in nature, which are present in the cellular barrier. And after that, the cytokine barrier. So what is the cytokine barrier? Cytokine barrier is a formed by the virus infected cell. So we will discuss the cytokine barrier now. So what is the meaning of cytokine barrier? It is a type of protein. It is formed by the type of protein known as the alpha interferon, and alpha interferon is secreted by the virus infected cell. Got it? Cytokine barrier formed by alpha interferon. Short form abbreviation is the INF, alpha interferon. This alpha interferon secreted by virus infected cell. Which type of cell? Those cells which are infected by the virus. I will clear it. Okay. Now let's see ki this is a group of cell. Let's assume this is group of cell, and same type of group of cell is known as the tissue. Okay. This is group of cell. Let's suppose there is a virus enter in this cell only and multiply itself and form many copies. This virus cell do not protect itself, but it protects other neighboring cell by secreting a type of substance known as the alpha interferon. Alpha interferon enter into the neighboring cell. Alpha interferon enter into the neighboring cell.